So here what'd you call them?
Tandoori chicken.
Tenderay? I see a bunch of drumsticks. Bunch of chicken thighs. I know, we talk about bringing guys in the house, a couple of you, but no, we can't get attached. Poor little guys. Oh, little chickens. Little chickens. Gonna have to. Everyone's looking really strong and healthy.
Yeah. Uh-oh. The goat, honey, the goat.
What? Oh, goat's gonna do a jump?
Yeah, she's gonna try and jump into the...
No, don't do that. She's never been in here. You can't jump on the top of that. Come on. Okay, we're gonna go now. There we go. Just want to show off our yummy chickens. First time we've done growers. So stoked. There's 10 turkeys there and there's 50 chickens. Wow. Yum. And they're all looking strong. Okay, peace out. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait, we're not done yet. There's Tommy. How you doing, Tommy? Okay. And here we got Jen. Hi, Jen. And here's Lieutenant Dan. Oh, yeah, us and our chickens. Here's our bisexual or whatever, I don't know, transgender. This one here, that's a hen with a beard. That's all I'm saying. Don't know what to think about that one. And then we got, that one is a fluff butt. That's Sienna's chicken. Looking a little rough, she's molting. We looked for lice, it's not lice, it's just molting. And then this one here, is that Bananas? I think so. They're lucky she's not in a stew pot because they lay eggs. It's the only reason we're keeping those things. Oh, speaking of eggs. Okay. And there's the other hen. She's a sweetheart. These ones here. They love me. Hey? Hey, honey? Yes, you love me so much, don't you? Oh, yeah, I know. And then this is, oh, see the black one running over there? That's Beyond. What's the black one's name with the what's the type of chicken this black one is? The Frizzle, yeah. What's her name? Janet Jackson. Okay. There's Janet. Janet's getting she's quite the character. Oh, there's Caitlin. And what are you? Oh, that's Bananas. That's Bananas. And there's Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin. How you doing? Because Caitlin likes to wear a lot of these colors. That's why I named her Caitlin. It is named after the Caitlin that we know. She's got, you can't really see it there, but she's got some good coloring. There's Janet's just getting comfortable with us. She's only new to the flock about 6 months ago. And what else? These are just a bunch of layers here. That's Julian. Hey, Julian. And this one should be into the pot, but like I said, they're good layers. Then we're stocked up. Got lots of feed. And yeah. Oh, here, this is Squirt. Hi, Squirt. No eggs under you, Squirt. All right. Okay, see you later, kids. Have a good night. All right, we're out of here. All right. Let's roll. Go back. Might as well shut her down, eh? Lock her. Well, we got to keep checking on them, eh? But we'll shut it down. Okay.